The balloon sinuplasty procedure is a method in which we open up blocked sinuses in patients that are suffering from chronic sinusitis. It's a minimally invasive approach, and it ends up being a pretty effective way to treat these types of patients. Chronic sinusitis is a condition in which patients are having a chronic inflammatory and infectious condition in the nose. Symptoms of that type of a condition typically include nasal congestion, facial pain and pressure, and yucky discharge from the nose. Oftentimes people will ask, is it worth going through a balloon sinuplasty procedure? What are the benefits? Generally speaking, once you make it into my office, that usually is the telltale sign that your nasal and sinus issues are significant. You've now made it into a specialist's office, meaning that your symptoms are impacting your quality of life. Typically, once people get this particular procedure done, they report significant improvements in the ability to breathe through their nose, and in greater than 90% of the patients that get this minimally invasive procedure conducted, they report complete cure of their sinus problems. Balloon sinuplasty is definitely worth pursuing if you're a patient that suffers from chronic sinusitis, meaning if you're someone that experiences nasal congestion, facial pain and pressure, and a lot of yucky infectious discharge from the nose. It does end up being quite beneficial in those types of folks. During the balloon sinuplasty procedure, what we're doing is we're going through your nose with some endoscopic instruments. There are no external incisions that are involved, and we're locating all of the sinus openings. Once we locate the sinus opening that is impacted, we place a tiny little balloon in that blocked sinus, inflate that balloon, which then allows proper sinus flow. Typically a balloon sinuplasty procedure is done under some IV sedation, and the duration of the case is anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. If you've had long-term difficulties breathing through your nose, come see the nasal and sinus experts at Capital ENT Sinus Center so we can help you achieve the nasal breathing that you're looking for.